Good afternoon, Pearl. How can I redeem my free skewer kit and mesh basket from Power XL Air Fryer Pro that I just received?
Hi. The computer expert will show you how to do that. Anything else you'd like to add before I connect you?
Yes, can I also order extra trays at the same time?
Hello and thanks for using JustAnswer. If your Power XL Air Fryer Pro was supposed to come with an option to redeem for a free skewer basket and mesh kit and it did not come with information on where to email to redeem, I would recommend that you email Power XL TriStar support directly. They are very helpful and responsive. You can reach them at
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.